Unlock effortless file sharing and collaborative power with Dropbox Why Euro, your ultimate productivity tool. Let's dive straight into how you can send and share files seamlessly with Dropbox first. Ensure you have the Dropbox app installed on your computer or mobile device, or simply head to Dropbox.com. To share a file or folder, locate the item you want to share within your Dropbox. You'll see a share option appear. Click or tap on it. This opens the share dialog here. You have a few powerful ways to grant access. The most common is creating a shareable link under the link settings. You'll find Create Link. Click this. Dropbox generates a unique web link for that file or folder. You can then copy this link and paste it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you need to send it. But Dropbox goes further. You can also directly invite specific people in the share dialog. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with in the To field. Now, let's talk permissions. You control who can do what when sharing. You'll see an option to set permissions, often defaulted to Can View. Click this to change it to Can Edit. Choosing Can Edit allows collaborators to make changes, add comments, and essentially work with you on the document or project in real time. This is fantastic for team projects. You can also set an expiration date for your links or protect them with a password. If you need extra security, simply adjust these settings in the linked options before sharing. With Dropbox, managing your files and collaborating becomes incredibly streamlined. Whether you're sending large files, working on a group project, or simply need to share your work, Dropbox makes it efficient and accessible across all your devices.